It was actually my aunt who happened to be an IT manager. She encouraged me to choose IT. Off the camera, the reason why, because it's easier to find a job. In my college, we were doing lab assignments to build servers with open source products. And it is so much fun to combine different open source technologies together. You learn a lot. When you choose a career in Red Hat, you will have a chance to learn different technologies within the industry. The good thing is that there are training courses and certification associated with these new technologies. I have tried different training options provided by Red Hat. If you want to master a skill in a quick time, the classroom training is intensive. And if you're busy, and you can use this self-paced training option. I prefer self-paced. I can use my free time to learn different skills. Red Hat also has very good learning community. I remember I failed a couple of times during my Red Hat exams. So I went to Red Hat's learning community and I got help from other Red Hat engineers. It's a great community where people inspire each other. So I didn't check my email for a couple of days. Then I received a message from LinkedIn from a Red Hat professional. I went back to my email box. I could confirm that I did receive the reward from Red Hat.
He told me that he was given this award, and I was amazed. Having Gang as a member of our team is a true asset. We have a lot of projects asking for competency, specifically on Red Hat technologies in terms of bridging the gap between on-prem platforms and public clouds and between public clouds. So Gang is a bridge builder between those platforms.
I was very impressed and very proud of him. And Gang is a great consultant, and he's just joined the elite group of the 10 Red Hat certified architects that we have on board.
When you have 5 certificates on your hands, you want more. Even I already have the architect title, but I still want more. You build your own confidence from that. My name is Gang Cheng, Red Hat Certified Professional of the Year.